Hello, today I'm going to show you the multifunction knob on the left side of your steering wheel of your Mazda CX-5. Let's have a seat, and on the left side we can see a nice multifunction lever. Oh yeah, this multifunction lever brings so much light control. Awesome LED technology is built in that car. Wow, this is smart. So the first step is you can use this lever for a signal, left or right, of course. If you push the start knob, ignition on, and maybe start your engine too, then it's possible to use your lights on the left or right. So you can use the turn lights by using this knob, rotating or push them up and down a little bit, right and left. So let's try this. You can choose it on left side and you can see this light is now yellow. Oh yeah. If you do this not all the way, this is only the short control light. That means a little bit, then it's only 3 times of light. But if you push them into position, then you can turn. Okay, that it is. Then you can pull the lever to your side for the running lights. Is that you can flash a little bit. Give some guys out there some information that you are on your point by pulling this lever to you. This is the awesome light detection mode. You have here the auto light control. That means you have on the upper position there is an off. Off means everything is off. Off. Okay. If you are still running the car, the running lights will be switched on. The lights are turned on while the vehicle is driven. The other light will be off. If you choose the automatic way, that means your car will switch the light as it likes by using the camera system on your windshield, upper side windshield area. And then it's possible to use this automatic mode if it's dark, etc. The headlights will switch on automatically, the running lights will on, the tail lights will on automatically, position lights and number plate lights will be on too, automatically. If it is dark out there, these lights will automatically switch on with the auto light control. Auto means automatic mode. But if you like to control it by yourself, then it's possible to switch to the first position. This will indicate your some information on your screen. That means headlights. Turn the headlight switch to turn the headlight and other exterior lights on or off by using this setup here. When the lights are turned on, the light on indicator light in the instrument cluster turns on, as you can see. Right in the left side you can see I-stop, on the right side you can see the headlight control light. And if you are going to, it's more darkness out there, because in this headlights, that means the ignition position will be on, headlights is off, running lights is off, the tail lights, the position lights and the number plate lights will be on. That means if you park your car in any place in urban way, you can switch this to give other guys out there information that your car is parking there. This is the parking light option. And if you are using your car in ACC or off, it's the same. Taillights will on, position lights, number plate will on. Next switch. This is the main beam setup. Woo, this is nice. Because in this setup, everything is on. The headlights are on. The running lights will be off if you switch your ignition on. And the tail lights will on, the position lights will on, the number plate lights will on. That is your night mode if you are going with that car. It's like the same as the automatic way, but the automatic way will shut off your main beam, etc. if it is too it's not dark enough out there. Ooh, ACC, or if in off mode, then the headlights will turn off, the running lights will turn off, and the tail lights, position lights, and number plates will be on. That is the parking mode if you are in this setup. But there's more. You can see this is coming the option for if you have dust out there. Then you can choose the second option if you are in the mode for headlights on, etc. mode. Then you can additionally get these lights too if your car have this built in. That means you have in the front side and in the rear side more light for dust. And if there is dust, then the lights will switch on if you are control this. Front side the same. There is another beam. This is it's better to see with this beam in fog, in dust, etc. If you cannot see over 40-50 meters, then switch on this. But it's an additional thing to our standard light setup. So that means if you are going to use your automatic mode, this is enough for everything. But if you like to do it by yourself, then switch to the bottom control with that beam signification. Job's done. This is everything what you need. Easy to use. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.